The clay court swing has moved up the Mediterranean coast for a week in the Spanish sunshine. And the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell.
Excited to be back here and looking forward to play again in front of some crowd.
I would love to be the first Greek person to jump in that pool for a reason.
Dangerous shot makers, future superstars of the sport, and other informed players, and we are surely in for a memorable week. Oh, this is just exceptional now from Nadal.
Brilliant from Tsitsipas. It wasn't the Rublev that we've come to expect. However, that was seriously impressive in the end. The youngest player left in the draw, right at the top of his game.
Oh, what a return from Carreño Busta. Yeah, it's good from Schwartzman. Oh my goodness me.
The Italian through to his first semi-final on the clay. Great tennis IQ. Tsitsipas has been fantastic today.
Colossal from the King of Clay.
He is into his 13th semi-final here in Barcelona. And Pablo Carreño Busta fights his way into the Barcelona semi-finals. Wow, that is a wonderful backhand. Tsitsipas into his second final here in Barcelona. Just outrageous from Nadal. His best performance of the week, you would say. Rafa's here to play. Oh, he's just about got it. What a point. Rafael Nadal is a champion in Barcelona for a 12th time. The man is quite simply a genius.